patch of grass. It does not have to be perfect, but this is it. Rub your feet around a little bit, y'all. Ground down and just reconnect, revitalize, rejuvenate. Face the sun. Find the sun somewhere and just breathe. This is honestly, this is what it looks like. Like real life, real time. Just finished day 10, 45 minutes for 45 days. And I feel amazing. That's all I got for you. So I pray that you guys get outside, ground down, find time, just a few minutes out of your day, just to focus on yourself, to love on yourself, to be kind to yourself and speak life into yourself, because you're so worthy and you're so deserving. All right? Peace.